We got GU. Yeah, GU is a pretty simple break and retest as well. You know, we're on a weekly. Weekly is bearish. We have some breakup structure. Drop down to the daily. Yep. And I think that's a daily fib zone. Yeah, spot on. That's a daily fib zone. So GU is a pretty simple trade as well. Yeah, I'll wait for price to come into this level here and dance around, find a nice candlestick pattern, and then I'll take that short. And everything is lining up. We have the daily fib zone right here with all this nasty market structure that we broke below, and it's actually a nice little range that we broke below as well. So yeah, we actually broke below a range, so we can go retest the lows, retest the daily fib level, retest the bottom of this range, and the EMA is going to be down here as well. So that's the goal, is to come into this level, retest it, look for a nice candlestick pattern to continue to ride this thing down. And that's it for today, man. If you're still here, I appreciate you. I will get better at explaining myself when it comes to breaking down, you know, charts and all that. And I will get better at explaining all the markups I have on my chart. I just wanted to get straight to the point because there are a lot of pairs I had to go through because I am a swing trader. So I analyze a lot because a lot of these pairs, once the markets open, especially the pairs that are right at their levels, once the market open later on today, it's the setup is going to look completely different. It's going to look completely different, and I'm gonna have to reassess my whole chart. You know, and that's the thing with swing trading, is you look at a lot of pairs because they all don't set up at the same time. You might be waiting on a setup for weeks and it just never happens. So if you're still here, I appreciate you. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Put in the comments what you want me to break down more so for like my future videos, and I appreciate y'all. Thank you.